Hello guys, today I am going to show you a strategy, a forex strategy which never ever had any loss. When I am saying which never ever had any loss means I mean it. This strategy never seen any loss. Okay, if you guys follow this strategy, particularly I can say if you follow the strategy with exactly as said and as per the lot size, then you will never see any loss while you are trading forex, even though during news. Okay, because this forex strategy is I can say like it has no effect on news, or of news or something. Okay, so you have to follow as I'm saying. All right, so this is a master forex strategy. First of all, let me tell you about myself before I explain the strategy. That I'm trading forex since 2004. I can say like almost 15 years of experience of trading forex. All right, and this strategy I'm using since I have developed the strategy in 2012, and since then I'm using the strategy and never seen any loss ever. And when I'm saying that, I have a proof. Okay, and let me show you the proof. This is my February, March and April. April means current month, April 2019, right? All of them I have in the proof. This is my trading. Okay, for the February, see all these trades for the February, because I'm a day trader. Okay, so all of the trades here are day trading. As a day trader, I have traded manually. All the trades are manual, no auto robot, nothing. Okay, and see my February net profit 42,759, gross loss 0. All right, now let's see March. Okay, see it started from 25th February, okay, till, let me show you March, 26th February till the last trade was on March, on 29th March. Okay, and the gross profit, I can say net profit, not gross profit but net profit, $43,932.90, loss 0 again. Right, now let me show you another April, the current month. All right, which is April 2019. Started from 29th March trading, and the last trade on April I had got this statement for 25th of April. All right, and it was Euro JPY. Let's see the profit for the April so far. It's 44,268, and again loss 0. See, so that means every trade taken using this strategy is 100% winning trade, no loss. When I'm saying no loss means no loss. All right, so let's start with the strategy, and I explain you how to do that. See, on my chart I have 150 period moving average. The other one I have is 6 period moving average and a 25 period moving average. You can use any simple moving average or exponential moving average, doesn't matter. It's you can use any, both have no difference. Okay, now see the below this chart, here you will see is my master forex. Like this is the indicator which one of my friend who have coded it for me, and if you guys want this indicator, then you can buy it from his site. Okay, I'm not selling anything, I'm not even selling this strategy, nothing, like template and indicator both, because he developed for me, so obviously he's looking for something in return if he's selling to someone. So yeah, let me show you how it works. See here what happened, what we are going to do in this strategy. We using one slow moving average actually and two fast moving average. The slow moving average is 150 period, and the fast moving average we are using is 25 and 6. Okay, So this strategy gives you clear cut indication when to enter the trade, when to exit the trade. You don't have to do anything, no calculation, no need to look at the market, no need to look at the news, no need to study all those indicators and all. Believe me, let me tell you, when I'm saying like indicators, then all indicators are made for the losing. Actually, as a day traders, it's useless when you are using all those fancy indicators and saying, oh, MACD is doing this, and stochastics is saying this, and these all you can use them for confirmation, that's it. But if you rely on indicator and if you want to trade market, forex market, and want to win, then forget it. You will not, because indicators are for the banks, for the liquidity providers, for the market managers who have huge investment in the forex. Okay, and they guys are not day traders. They trade their each trade lasts for a month, if not months then weeks to months. Some trades goes for 6 months. If you see a forex, let me uh, go there on a daily. Okay, see, I turn this my chart on a daily, and you see the price always above the 150 period moving average, means above the 6 months average. You getting my point? And let's say from October 2018 to April 2014, the price is in uptrend. You getting my point? Means those guys who are using those indicators are just gonna buy. They are not going to sell. I mean, in a day, one day, let's say on Friday, some news comes and market dropped. I mean, they don't care, because their ultimate goal is going long, because market is above 150 period moving average and they are only looking for buying. Okay, so but as a day trader, let's say what normally day traders do, they guys buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and normally average day trader have a minimum balance in their account is between $100 to, let's say, $10,000. Okay, and 100 to $10,000, you are not actually an investor, you are just a day trader. Okay, and in that case, these all indicators, other fancy indicators, are useless for you, to be honest. And if you are relying on them and want to trade the market, then sorry, you are not going to win. I mean, yeah, small trades you're gonna win it. Some say oh, support and resistance and this and all those. What you are looking at it, like daily support and resistance. You getting my point? That will not serve the purpose for the trading. And I mean, always there are fake breakouts. So you cannot rely on support or resistance, or you cannot rely on nothing. You have to just see the market trend. You getting my point? So in this strategy, we are going to learn a trend trading. A lot of people are saying, trend is your friend, trend is your friend, but nobody doing a trend trading a right way. That's the problem for the loser. And they are impatient. You getting my point? Most of the traders are impatient. Like, let's say they enter the trade and all of a sudden market just turn and they just I mean, they just got jittery and they're like, oh, I would like to sell it, or I cannot hold it. But then they are not doing a proper trend trading. And second, the main thing, in a trading, which makes you different than losers. Okay, winners and losers, they have very thin line in between them. Okay, and difference between losers and winners: winners choose a right entry and the right exit point, and this strategy will exactly show you that when to enter and when to exit market. A lot of people are good actually in analyzing market, or they are good in understanding the market, but still they are losing. The reason: they don't know when they have to enter the trade and when they have to exit the trade or take profit. You getting my point? Or when they have to go long, when they have to go short, they know. Okay, but they don't know the entry and exit, and that is the reason they are losing. Because it's the golden rule: always keep running your profit. You getting my point? And cut short your loss. Means enter the market and keep it running, for a longer term profit. Don't just close out on one opposite candle. But you should know, it's reversal, when to cut your profit short or when to cut your loss. Let's say you enter in the market, right? But how you determine that market is going on your way? even if candle goes against you, right? How you know that it's now reversal? So this is the one, this strategy teach you like how to enter, how to exit the market. All right, let me say this is my Forex master indicator, okay, which I said like one of my friend developed it for me on my request. All right, he coded, and let me tell you how it works. Okay, the Forex market indicator here have, if you see carefully, like if I turn on a, let's say 15-minute time frame, okay, then it gives me 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, if I turn on 1 hour time frame, then it gives me all the bricks, like these boxes below you see orange and white is 1 hour, 4 hour, day and week. Okay, so what I normally use is like hourly time frame. All right, on an hourly time frame, like this gives you clear indication when to enter, when to exit. Now first step, if the price or if the candle is above the 150 period moving average, okay, then you're only looking to buy the market. All right, and if the price or a candle is below 150 period moving average, okay, then what you are going to do is only looking to sell the market. You got my point? But again, see, on Australian dollar, US dollar, what you gonna do? You only have to wait for the opportunity to enter the trade, when to sell, because it's below 150 period moving average. Here USD Canadian dollar, you only will look when to enter the market or buy. You getting my point? Because it's a 150 period is our base. Okay, that's a 6 months moving average, I can say, in other words. All right, so let me say when you can enter the market, whenever you see the 6 period moving average crossing the 20 period moving average, and 6 period and 20 period moving average both are above the 150 period moving average, you have to enter the market on a buy trade. Okay, let's say here if you have entered, how many pips you would have took by now? Here see, almost 156 pips, means it's a huge profit. You getting my point? One more thing important, like in Forex, is keeping your lot size. If your account is like $1,000, never ever use more than 0.1 lot size, never. If your account is $10,000, yes, you can use 1.0 lot size, means a standard lot size. Okay, standard, micro and mini. You getting my point? If you are trading with $100, you will only look for the mini lot size, that is 0.01. All right, so the lot size is very important. See, this is one standard lot size, 0.1 is a mini lot size, and 0.01 is micro lot size. Okay, so keep in mind, if your account balance is 10,000, you gonna use one, a standard lot. If your account balance is 1,000 or less, $1,000, you can use 0.1. If your account is 100, then use 0.01. That's the thing, so keep in mind the lot size is very important in this strategy. The reason, because see, market never goes like up or never keep going down. It goes up and down, and just small move, for like if you use a big lot size, just a small move can wipe your account. You getting my point? Let's say here, if you have $100 balance, right, and you use standard lot size 1.0, this how many pips? Just 21 pips. 21 pips, that means standard lot size 1 means per pip you are losing a $10. 21 pip means like within one candle or two candle your account is empty. You got my point? It has to go up only, but this is the reason why people losing. Your account just blow out for no reason. So why using risk, like I mean on some trade? When market is going up, use a small lot size, like so you have all the chance, like to get the longer term profit. Now let's say, see, now how I will take entry into the market. Okay, let me say here. All right, see, price is above 150, green line, that is 25 period moving average crossing above, 6 period moving average above, Now what I will see, I will see the main trend line. You getting my point? Means the main trend, market trend on my indicator, that is showing on a day and week, both showing upside. You getting my point? So, and like let's say here, this is the weekly. First is weekly, second daily. This is 4 hour. This is 1 hour. All right. So now say, let me price is here. Okay, now see, the 1 hour movie, my box is showing white, 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 means it's going down. You getting my point? So when I will enter the second bullish move on 1 hour, because the main trend is up. Okay, daily and weekly is up, 4 hour is down. So when I will enter, like see, 1 hour, second here, okay, third, right, I enter here because it will gives me early entry point through my this chart. So I will enter here. All right, and simply buy as it turns, second candle, and see here, and from here I will get all the way. When I will exit the 1 hour brick, as it turns white, the first brick, you okay, on 1 hour time frame, this turned white. That means now I know market is moving, going down. I will straight cut my profit here, or take profit here, close my trade at this point. Got it? So now let's say here, okay, now when see, price is down, 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 okay, but it's still above 150 period moving average. So when I will enter in the market, see, daily uptrend, weekly uptrend, but 4 hour and 1 hour in downtrend. So what I will do, I will just wait for price to come back to 150 period moving average, or it will cross above the blue line, means 6 period moving average, cross above the green moving average. Second, I will wait for this white brick to turn into a orange. So first and second orange brick, I enter the trade, and then all the way it will go up. You getting my point? Because this is a longer term trade, I mean longer term trend. All right, and whenever trend changes, you will here see first, you getting my point, that this orange turns white. You getting my point? And simply exit. Okay, this indicator, master forex indicator, is one of the best indicators someone developed for me. And I can say, it gives me clear, exit and entry point onto the trade, and that's the reason never had any loss. Okay, let's come to Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's see. The market is going here up. Okay, now how you will decide, when what you have to do, market is going down now. All right, so if you are a day trader, then you only gonna look for the daily candle. All right, so daily here is up, 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 but what happened, see here, early point tells you this cross the 6 period moving average, cross the 20 period moving average, right, and the brick as well here turn white, the third brick, I can enter here. Okay, and I can take profit, 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 profit here, and it will keep going. When I will exit, see, the first bullish candle, means orange, I just keep exit, and again I will wait. If this turns white, I can again sell it here. All right, so see, sell, sold, 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 it's going down, down, down. Now again look here, candle cross. Okay, let's say this turn orange. Okay, but I will not enter the trade. Why? Because 6 period moving average is still below 20 period moving. Here 6 period moving average crosses the 20 period moving average, price close above. Okay, and then this one also showing me an orange. That means I can enter here and I can take some profit here up to here. When I exit, again I will wait. Whenever the 1 hour first brick becomes white, I will just simply exit my trade in profit. So this is how it works. You getting my point? I mean, it's very, very straightforward and easy. And I had never faced, I'm telling you, never face any loss in forex, and keep withdrawing weekly, I can say 5,000 to 10,000 every week. Monthly you can easily make, if you have a $5,000 to $10,000 account balance, you can easily make 20 to 30,000 without doing anything. Simply follow this very easy to follow strategy. See, 100 period moving average. Okay, I mean, see, this is what, let me tell you what is this. This one is Heiken-Ashi. You getting my point? Like every 10-point move, one box form. All right, every 10-point moves. Okay, or like so means like it doesn't make become white like just with one candle. You getting my point? It's designed like as per the point moves. So 10-point moves, then only it becomes first white. 20-point moves, then it becomes second white. Okay, like that way. So this is the indicator I am using. I mean for my confirmation. Actually you if you just want like simply no indicator, what you can do, just keep open like uh 1 hour, 4 hour, daily and weekly chart on your like for the same currency, like 4 charts. All right, and then see like the daily and weekly candle, if let's say bullish. Okay, but 1 hour and 4 hour is bearish. I mean, white candles. So what you will do? You will just wait for the price to cross, like and whenever the 1 hour second candle or third candle become bullish, okay, and also the price 6 period moving average is about 25 period moving average. Simply enter the market. Look here. See what I do here, like it's bullish. I want even this cross above. You getting my point? But I will not enter the trade. Why? Here I will enter the trade. Here it cross. Okay, let's say here it's a bullish, but I will not enter the trade. When I enter the trade, it's crossed here, and also this is bullish too. You getting now? I will enter the trade here. See, all the way. Means I mean I can easily make like couple of pips. Let me say if I entered the trade here, okay, with the confirmation, I can easily get here like 89 pips run all the way. But the lot size matters. Okay, don't use high lot size, because that's the thing, like if one bad candle, just one candle, and again it will come back actually up, but just one wrong candle and your account can wipe out. So use, as I said, like the lot size. Okay, now see here, it's going up. It's white, but I don't exit here. Where I exit? Let's see the first white candle here. Okay, I simply exit the first white box and I exit my trade. All right, now I will just I don't now here see it's above. Okay, but the thing I can enter here, but I will still wait at least three box. Okay, fourth box became this. See, it's up actually, right? But as this candle crosses, simply like exit the trade. There are two things. Either 6 period moving average crosses below 25 period and this box turn white, exit. Okay, 6 period moving average cross above 25 period and this turns orange, enter. Very straightforward. I hope you guys learned something on this strategy, and if you need any more information, please check below, like in the description I have given everything. It's 6 period, 25 period and 150 period. Keep in mind. Okay, and also what I do sometimes, I have stochastics. I mean I don't use stochastics much, but just to see what is happening here. But stochastics, like see, it's lying so many times, so I don't use stochastics. For me, just my this bricks master forex indicator and my this like setup of EMA. Very easy. And like this never ever gives you a single loss if you follow as said in this. All right, and if you guys want to have this template and like this master forex indicator which I have here, you can check on description, and it's all everything is given there. All right, happy trading guys, have good luck.